Hey everyone! So, in this video, I'll show you how to automate GoHighLevel using Zapier and Google Docs. This is the full updated guide for 2026, and yeah, we're keeping it simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll be able to send GoHighLevel data straight into Google Docs automatically, no manual work. Before we start, just make sure you're logged into all three platforms. That's your GoHighLevel account, your Zapier account, and your Google account with access to Google Docs. Everything works smoother when you're already signed in. Trust me. All right, now head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap. This is where the automation begins. For the trigger app, search for GoHighLevel and select it. Next, choose what action should trigger the automation. For example, a new contact created, a form submitted, or a pipeline stage update. Pick whatever makes sense for your workflow. There's no wrong choice here. Once the trigger is set, it's time to connect Google Docs as the action app. Search for Google Docs, select it, and choose an action like Create Document or Append Text. This decides how the data shows up inside your document. Now comes the important part, mapping the data. This is where you tell Zapier which GoHighLevel fields go into your Google Doc. So things like name, email, phone number, just drop them into the document template. Take your time here, because this controls how clean your automation looks. Once everything looks good, run a test. Zapier will send sample data from GoHighLevel into Google Docs. If the document updates correctly, turn the Zap on, and that's it. Your automation is live. And that's how you automate GoHighLevel with Zapier and Google Docs in 2026. If this helped you, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.